Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install your OBS for your PC, for your MacBook, or for your Linux. Alright, the first thing to do is you open your web browser and then you go to the official website, which is obsproject.com. So this is the official website of OBS. Alright, when you open it, you will see the download for Windows, you see the download for Mac, you see the download for Linux. So this depends on the system you are currently using. Okay, if you're using a Mac, you download that for Mac. If you're using a Linux, you download Linux. I'm currently using a Windows PC, so I'll download that for Windows. All you need to do is click on this and the next page is going to open. So our download has started. As you can see, this will take some time depending on your internet speed. So the OBS has finished downloading, and this is the download folder. Okay, so the next thing to do is you right click on this and then you run as administrator, and then it's going to launch the installation wizard. Okay, what you do is you click on next and then you click on next and then click on install. So the installation phase is going to start, and then you have to wait for some time depending on the speed of your computer. So the installation has finished. Okay, now click on finish and then it will launch the OBS. So this is the OBS software. If you are installing it for the very first time, it's going to bring out this auto configuration wizard. I normally do not use this because you can set this configuration to your satisfaction later. Okay, if you check on next, it's going to show you your resolution for streaming, and then you click on next, it's going to show you which platform you want to stream to, and so on and so forth. You can set all this later. Alright, so I'll cancel it, and then this is your OBS. If you are installing it for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, now to switch to studio mode, you click on this and it's going to have a program and preview output. Alright, so this is how you download and install your OBS for your PC. Okay, do well to share this video and let me know if you have any question in the comment sections. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next one.